This 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 23LDE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, oven, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, smoke detector, TV, skylight, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 23LDE is 5,597 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.